13.5 ounce sirloin steak. We're getting ready to grill it up. Oh, now look at that. That looks good. We'll put it on that grill. Hey, we're gonna turn this several times in rotation, flip it throughout, add a little salt, like putting kosher salt on this. That's one of the best seasonings for beef steak. Oh, fresh ground pepper adds to the flavor too. Kosher salt, fresh ground pepper is the only seasoning I really like for beef steak. Now for me, I don't want a lot of seasonings such as these beef seasonings you can buy at the store and stuff. I don't want anything covering up my charcoal taste or the grill taste, even this with the drippings of the grease and all. It's got a good flavor. Charcoal, smoking, even a gas grill. I don't want anything covering up my flavor I'm trying to get out of there. Now if I'm cooking pork or something like that, I'll add some flavors and seasonings to it. But my beef, I don't like to add nothing but salt and pepper. Now of course that's me. You cook it the way you want it, the way you like it. And I keep rotating. I want this to be done evenly. Now this is going to be pulled off about between 145 and 150, and that's going to give us a medium to a medium well. Oh, I can just taste that steak now. All right, I believe we reached our temperature. We've got it between 145 and 150. I believe this is going to be, oh, look at that. That looks good. Well, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing.